So welcome back. So this lesson is on making crackers. And what kind of crackers are these, Mercy?
These are sunflower seed dehydrated crackers, so they're raw.
And so can we tell everybody what are the ingredients? How
So
much of which?
We're gonna do 4 cups of sunflower seeds, and they're soaked and dehydrated.
That's what I wanted to say.
Then we have 1 cup of flaxseed mixed with the 1 cup of water, so it's kind of sticky.
Okay.
And then 1 cup of carrots, and we're going to process. And we have 2 tablespoons of dill and 1 teaspoon of salt. So it's very few ingredients.
All right. So why don't you tell us what we do?
Okay, we're gonna process the sunflower seeds, coarsely processed.
Okay. And shall we just pulse it?
Pulse. Okay, that sounds perfect.
So let's let everybody look and see how
So it's
processed that is.
coarsely processed, but perhaps a little
Yeah,
more. Some are still as before, so maybe.
So you don't want to see whole pieces
Exactly.
That's the thing about these processors. Okay.
Yeah, that sounds good. So we're going to put in a big bowl.
All right.
Now we're gonna process the carrots.
Okay. And how much was this again?
This is 1 cup.
1 cup.
And in the meantime, I'm going to pour the rest of the ingredients. while
Okay.
you
I'll process.
Let's see how it is. So it is a little too coarse, so we're gonna process a
You
little
want it
more.
pretty finely processed,
Very
kind of
fine.
like when you juice carrots and you have the pulp. I think that's a
Yes,
nice
exactly,
consistency.
exactly.
So maybe I'll put this up high. Is that good?
Yep.
All
looks
right.
Pretty good.
So we'll take this out.
And we can also add the salt.
Okay.
Gives a nice color to the crackers. So these are also easy to digest because the sunflower seeds are soaked and dehydrated, and all the ingredients are easy to digest. When you're dealing with leaky gut, this is very helpful.
Okay. You want me to take that? Why don't I take that? All right.
Okay, I'm going to mix it. You can use a wooden spoon, but when you use gloves, it's just super easy and fast. So we are for fast. if you can open this.
Especially if you're working with Mercy.
Can you open
Okay,
this
we're
for
gonna
me?
move this all the way over here, and we're gonna move this here. Sorry about that, Mercy.
Okay, I got it.
Grab it. Okay.
Okay, so we're just gonna mix it. And you're just gonna see that it has enough moisture. If it doesn't have enough moisture, you might need to add it some water, because this should stick really well. I think we're gonna need maybe 1/4 cup of water.
1/4 cup of water. Let me get
Yeah.
this out of the way. Sorry, Mercy. I will grab that for you.
Yes, it needs a little more moisture. Okay, so
Okay, so I
Gonna
have
have
a
to be
whole
like a-
cup right here.
yeah, let's
so
put a
little
one
bit
fourth
at a
cup.
time. A full cup?
1/4.
Oh,
cup.
1/4 cup. Okay,
Yeah, you can calculate.
let's see.
Okay, I think that's pretty good.
That's good? So it was about 1/8 of a cup that I put in.
Okay, so we can show how looks like. It has good
Let me
moisture.
move this a little bit further this way so that people can see.
Okay,
So we're done processing, we're done mixing, and now we're going to be spreading this onto the dehydrator tray. So what are we looking at here? I just thought we should tell everybody what we did.
we have the paper that we use.
So this is parchment paper that
parchment
we
paper.
cut, and then we
And it's
put-
not, it's a special parchment paper.
it's unbleached.
unbleached.
And so now we have this pattern here that we got from, what is this, Rossum Creations.
Rossumcreation.com if you like. It's very
Okay.
handy.
All right, so let's see how we do this.
Okay, so we're gonna spray it. This is very simple recipe. So handy for traveling, right?
Yeah, I mean, that's something that we want to do a lesson about too, is what kind of food that you can take when you're away from home, whether you're packing for work or school or traveling. And these are really easy to make as well as to take on your trips.
Yes.
And how do you eat these? Like, what do you?
It's just a regular crackers. I put a little honey. They're super tasty, but when we cannot eat too much sweets at the beginning when you have leaky gut. We just put some. We can put avocado on top, guacamole.
So you kind of eat them as you would bread. You kind of can use them in the same type of situations.
You can use it as a shell, like a taco shell. And I think this is good enough, I think.
Good enough? Okay. So this one's a little thick. Let me put this here. All right. So that's great. And now we'll show what it looks like when we're done. Voila. Ooh. All right.
So this is also you can shape it as just cut it like this. I like it to do that, so when you serve it, they look nice. Otherwise, when you break it, they don't look good. So this is just easily done. And now we're gonna place it in the dehydrator at 109, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
so we're ready.
So Mercy, we've finished dehydrating the sunflower seeds and they look great. So what should the consistency be?
They're crunchy and good taste. This is
They're
crunchy.
crunchy. Okay, so I'm just gonna break it apart a little bit. Is that what it should be like? Or more brittle?
It has to be really
We
dry.
did it for about 8 hours, but you can do it up to 12.
Yeah, I just leave it in a night and then I'll come back the next night. 24 hours.
24
but 12
hours.
hours to 24 is fine.
Okay. All right. Well,
So how would you use it?
you know, we did it today with some seed butters, like pumpkin seed butters, and you can do it with avocado spread. What else would you use?
So I would use this like a shelves also, like taco shelves. You can do that.
Oh, and put some kind of salad and that type of thing with it.
Yeah, put a salsa, guacamole. You can use veggie cheese, layers of.
Or maybe like a
things.
crouton type of thing.
You can use as a crouton. That's a good idea.
Okay. Well, everybody, I hope you will go ahead and try this recipe. Again, it's just very simple: sunflower seeds, carrots. Basically, that's it.
Flaxseed.
And dehydrate overnight, and you got yourself some great crackers.